As a general rule, commercial electricians earn higher wages than residential electricians. Commercial electricians typically work on larger, more complex projects and require specialized skills, such as knowledge of electrical codes and regulations for commercial buildings. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for electricians in 2021 was $56,900 for commercial electricians and $56,320 for residential electricians. However, the actual wage difference can vary depending on factors such as location, experience, skill level, and union affiliation. It is possible to make a comfortable living as a residential electrician. Residential electricians are in high demand in most areas of the United States, and their services are essential for homeowners and businesses alike. According to ZipRecruiter, the average annual salary for residential electricians in the United States is $66,768. However, salaries can range from $45,000 to $100,000 or more, depending on the factors mentioned above. Condo developments are becoming increasingly popular in many areas of the United States. As a result, there is a growing demand for electricians who specialize in this type of work. Condo electricians typically install and maintain electrical systems in condo units, including lighting, outlets, appliances, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. They also work on common areas, such as lobbies, elevators, and parking garages. Whether you choose to pursue residential or commercial electrical work depends on your preferences and career goals. If you enjoy working on smaller, less complex projects and prefer a more residential environment, then residential electrical work may be a good fit for you. However, if you are looking for higher pay and the opportunity to work on larger, more challenging projects, then commercial electrical work may be a better option. Let's delve a little deeper into some of the factors that contribute to the differences and similarities in the roles of residential and commercial electricians. Firstly, consider the scope of work. Commercial projects often involve large-scale electrical systems in buildings like office complexes, retail stores, and industrial facilities. These systems can be intricate, requiring a strong understanding of three-phase power, large transformers, and complex control systems. Residential work, on the other hand, typically deals with single-phase power and less complex wiring configurations in homes and apartments. Secondly, think about the code requirements. Both residential and commercial electrical work are governed by the National Electrical Code, often referred to as NEC, but the specific requirements can vary significantly. Commercial installations frequently involve stricter regulations related to fire safety, emergency power systems, and wiring methods in hazardous locations. Residential installations, while still subject to code compliance, may have fewer stringent requirements in certain areas. Thirdly, experience and skill level also play a vital role in determining earning potential. Electricians with advanced skills, such as programmable logic controller programming, fiber optic cabling, or specialized motor control knowledge, are often in high demand in the commercial sector and can command higher wages. Similarly, residential electricians with expertise in areas like home automation, solar panel installation, or energy-efficient lighting can also increase their earning potential. Fourthly, location can significantly impact both the demand for electricians and the prevailing wage rates. Areas with booming construction industries or a high concentration of commercial buildings may offer more opportunities and higher pay for commercial electricians. Similarly, regions with a strong housing market or a growing interest in home renovations may see increased demand for residential electricians. Fifthly, union affiliation can also influence an electrician's wages and benefits. Union electricians typically receive higher pay, comprehensive benefits packages, and access to ongoing training programs. While union representation is more common in the commercial sector, some residential electricians may also be affiliated with unions. Now, let's explore some specific examples of the types of tasks that residential and commercial electricians typically perform. Residential electricians may install wiring for new homes, upgrade electrical panels, troubleshoot electrical problems, install lighting fixtures, and wire appliances. They may also work on projects such as adding outlets, installing ceiling fans, and setting up home theater systems. Commercial electricians may install and maintain electrical systems in office buildings, factories, and retail stores. They may work on projects such as running conduit, pulling wire, installing transformers, and connecting electrical equipment. They may also be responsible for troubleshooting electrical problems, performing preventive maintenance, and ensuring that electrical systems are operating safely and efficiently. In addition to technical skills, both residential and commercial electricians need strong problem-solving abilities, excellent communication skills, and a commitment to safety. They must be able to read blueprints, interpret electrical codes, and work independently or as part of a team. They also need to be able to interact effectively with clients, contractors, and other tradespeople. Regarding the growth of condo developments, it's important to understand the unique electrical needs of these types of properties. Condo electricians must be familiar with the electrical systems in individual units as well as the common areas of the building. They may be responsible for installing and maintaining lighting, outlets, appliances, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in condo units. They may also work on projects such as wiring security systems, installing intercoms, and upgrading electrical panels. In addition, condo electricians may be involved in the installation and maintenance of electrical systems in common areas such as lobbies, elevators, parking garages, and swimming pools. They must be able to work efficiently and effectively in a multi-unit environment and coordinate their work with other contractors and building management. Now let's discuss some key electrical concepts essential for both residential and commercial electricians. Understanding these concepts is crucial for safe and efficient electrical work. Firstly, Ohm's law describes the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. It states that voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. This law is fundamental to understanding how electrical circuits work and is used to calculate voltage drops, current flow, and power dissipation. Secondly, Kirchhoff's laws are two fundamental laws that govern the flow of current and voltage in electrical circuits. Kirchhoff's current law states that the total current entering a junction is equal to the total current leaving the junction. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the sum of the voltages around any closed loop in a circuit is equal to zero. Thirdly, grounding and bonding are essential safety measures that protect people and equipment from electrical shock and fire hazards. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and energizing the circuit. Bonding connects all metal parts of an electrical system together to create a low impedance path for fault current. Fourthly, circuit breakers and fuses are overcurrent protection devices that are designed to protect electrical circuits from damage caused by excessive current flow. Circuit breakers are reusable devices that trip when the current exceeds a certain level. Fuses are one-time devices that melt and break the circuit when the current exceeds a certain level. Fifthly, conductors are materials that allow electricity to flow easily. Copper and aluminum are the most common conductors used in electrical wiring. The size of the conductor is determined by the amount of current it needs to carry. The National Electrical Code provides tables that specify the ampacity of different conductor sizes. Sixthly, insulation is a material that prevents electricity from flowing where it is not intended to. Insulation is used to cover conductors and other electrical components to prevent short circuits and electrical shock hazards. Different types of insulation are available for different applications, such as high-temperature wiring or wet locations. Seventhly, transformers are devices that are used to change the voltage of an alternating current. Step-up transformers increase the voltage, while step-down transformers decrease the voltage. Transformers are used in a wide variety of applications such as power distribution, electronic devices, and welding equipment. Eighthly, motors are devices that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Motors are used in a wide variety of applications such as pumps, fans, compressors, and power tools. Different types of motors are available for different applications, such as alternating current motors, direct current motors, and synchronous motors. Ninthly, lighting is an essential part of any electrical system. Different types of lighting are available for different applications, such as incandescent lighting, fluorescent lighting, light-emitting diode lighting, and high-intensity discharge lighting. Lighting can be used to provide illumination, create ambience, and improve safety. Tenthly, control systems are used to automate and control electrical equipment. Control systems can range from simple on/off switches to complex programmable logic controllers. Control systems are used in a wide variety of applications, such as industrial automation, building automation, and process control. In addition to these key electrical concepts, both residential and commercial electricians need to be familiar with the National Electrical Code, which is a comprehensive set of standards for electrical installations. The NEC is updated every 3 years and provides detailed requirements for wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and other aspects of electrical safety. Electricians must be able to interpret the NEC and apply it to their work to ensure that electrical installations are safe and compliant. Furthermore, continuous learning is essential for electricians to stay up to date with the latest technologies and best practices. Electricians can attend training courses, read industry publications, and participate in professional organizations to expand their knowledge and skills. By investing in their education and training, electricians can enhance their career prospects and increase their earning potential. In conclusion, the choice between residential and commercial electrical work depends on individual preferences and career goals. Both paths offer rewarding opportunities and the potential for a comfortable living. By acquiring the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience, electricians can build successful and fulfilling careers in either sector. Remember that factors like location, experience, skill level, and union affiliation can all influence earning potential. So, research your local market, invest in your education, and strive to become a skilled and knowledgeable electrician to maximize your career opportunities.